How to recover Facebook password without email and phone number. So if you want to recover Facebook password without email and phone number, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google. Under your Google, you can go with recover Facebook account, or you can also go with my account is compromised. And here you need to tap on report compromised account and tap on my account is compromised. And after that, you need to enter your mobile number or your email address. Even if you don't remember your email or your mobile number, even if you don't have access to it, you can just simply enter it. And once you entered the email number or the mobile number that you've used while creating your account, then it will take you to this recover page. So if you want to recover the account which is associated with the email address or the mobile number that you've entered, then you can just simply tap on recover, which will be on the bottom of your screen. And you will have this page which is I've lost access to my login details. So you can just simply go with start, which is on the bottom, and you need to set up a new login address. So you need to enter your new email address. Once you enter your address, you just need to simply go with get code, which is on the bottom. And once you tap on get code, you will receive a one-time code. And once you enter that code, then your email, like new email, will be set to that Facebook, and you'll be able to recover your account. So that's how you can recover your Facebook password without email and phone number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.